Are you thinking about downsizing in Los Angeles? Well, you're not alone. Downsizing can help simplify your life, save money, and reduce clutter, especially in a city like LA, where space is at a premium. In this video, I will walk you through practical steps to downsize effectively while still enjoying the best of what LA has to offer. Hi, I am Matias Masucci, your trusted Los Angeles realtor. Let's dive right into it. First thing first, you need to assess your needs and priority. When you're downsizing, the first thing to do is think about what you really need. Do you still need that home office? Do you need as much storage as you have now? Downsizing doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. So get clear on the essentials. So make a list of your must-haves and all the extras that you can live without. Think about location too. Maybe being close to public transportation or parks is more important to you than the extra square footage. Next, it's time to come up with a decluttering strategy. Decluttering is key when it comes to downsizing. Start small, one room at a time or a category at a time. Clothes, kitchen gadgets, and those just-in-case items you haven't used in years can be the first to go. Use the 1-year rule. If you haven't touched it in a year, it's probably time to let it go. Donate, sell, or toss what no longer adds value to your life. This will make the whole downsizing process smoother. Third, you need to maximize your space. So how do you do that? In a smaller home, every square foot counts. Invest in multifunctional furniture, like a sofa bed or a coffee table with storage. Think vertically. Install shelves, use tall cabinets, and maximize under bed storage. The key is to keep your space functional without feeling cluttered. Custom storage solutions can make a big difference in how your new place feels. And now it's time to plan your move carefully. A successful downsize requires careful planning. Create a checklist and timeline for your move. Break tasks down into manageable steps. Even if you hire a moving company or have someone helping you, it is very important to keep track of everything so that the transition happens smoothly. From packing to notifying utility companies or changing your address, it is important to start early. Remember to label your boxes clearly and pack an essential box with things you'll need right away. If the thought of moving feels overwhelming, consider hiring professional movers who specialize in downsizing. And if you need recommendations in Los Angeles, all you have to do is pick up the phone and give me a call. And finally, get used to your new space. Once you've moved into your downsized home, give yourself time to adjust. It's a big change, and it's okay if everything doesn't feel perfect right away. Add personal touches, arrange furniture to create flow, and explore your new neighborhood. Take things step by step, and you will see that over time, if you make small changes, you will feel just as comfortable as you did in your bigger place. Let me just say a few words on transitioning from a house to a smaller home, condo, or townhouse. When downsizing from a large house to a smaller house, condo, or townhouse, it's important to recognize the different lifestyle shifts that comes with it. For one, space will likely be more limited, so prioritizing functionality is key. You want to make sure the new space meets your most important needs. If you're moving from a house to a condo or townhouse, keep in mind that you have less privacy and will need to adapt to shared spaces like common areas and facilities. HOAs may impose rules on things like renovations, parking, and pet ownership. However, a condo or a townhouse can offer great benefits like reduced maintenance, access to amenities, and a more convenient lifestyle. As you know, home tends to come with more storage space, like an attic or a basement, and of course a garage, which condos and townhomes may not have, and decide what items are truly necessary for your new compact lifestyle. Before I let you go, let's talk about embracing a minimalist lifestyle. Downsizing is a great time to embrace minimalism. Focus on quality over quantity. Keep items that serve multiple purposes and bring you joy. Regularly declutter and remember that one in equals one out. That's a great rule to live by. So for every item you bring in, there's something you may be able to let go. But minimalist isn't just about the stuff you have. It's about creating a calm, simple environment that's easy to maintain and truly enjoyable. Thanks for watching the ultimate guide to downsizing in LA. If you're ready to take the next step or just want more tips on LA living, be sure to subscribe and stay connected. Until next time, explore boldly and live passionately in LA.